So let's talk for a second about the Update Manager interface. Now the interface itself has an admin view and a compliance view. A compliance view is for actually doing the work. We're going to do our upgrades, we're going to do our patches, we're going to attach, we're going to scan, we're going to remediate. Our admin view is the behind the scenes view. It gives us a view of everything that makes Update Manager work. It's a peek behind the curtains. So we can actually alter the configuration of that service. Remember, admin view is working with the configuration of the service. The compliance view is applying that service to our environment. So here you can see my desktop, and on my desktop I've cleared everything off, so all you can see is the Update Manager client. Remember that installation page a while back? This is what happens after you're done with that installation page. So let me open this up. And you can see here, I'm going to point to the vCenter server, not the IP address or fully qualified name of the Update Manager server, but the vCenter server. Remember, we set up Update Manager and it connected back into the vCenter server. So let's go ahead and put this in. Straighter at vSphere.local. Notice the new way we log in, and I'm going to put in my password, which has lots of new caveats to it. New requirements. You need a special character, you need a capital letter, you need a number, has to contain at least a letter. I think it has to be 8 long. All right, let me see if I can get this to fit in our window. And as you can see here, it looks just like the desktop client, doesn't it? But it is definitely not the desktop client. Look at the top. We don't have anywhere else to go except Update Manager. We have Update Manager, permissions, tasks, and events. That's it. We don't have room for anything else. Now, right now, we are in the compliance view. And what I really wanted to show you was the admin view. The admin view gives us the ability to look at our baselines and groups, our configuration, our events, our notification patch repository, all the things that we are used to if you come from 5.0 and 5.1. This all looks very familiar. But remember, 6.0, you have to install the client, the Update Manager client, on a machine you're going to manage Update Manager from. So if you need to move back and forth between the two, you go to the compliance. It's in the upper right hand side over here, compliance view versus admin view. Remember, admin view, we're just going to be working behind the scenes, the configuration of the service itself. And the compliance view is actually applying that service to our environment.